Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. So in today's video, we're going to be swatching and doing a review on all of the new Fenty cream lip glosses. These ones came out, I believe, last week or the week before, and I'm a little late to getting this up. But hey, better late than never, right? So if this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned. So I was able to get my hands on all 5 of the shades, which I'm really excited about. And I'm just gonna read the description of the shades or the cream glosses to you. So it's supposed to be feel good, look great lip gloss that comes in medium to full coverage, color, and zero shimmer. It's supposed to be buildable, full intensity pigment, and brilliant shine. It's also supposed to have an addictive peach vanilla scent, which I'm assuming is similar to the regular glosses, and it's also supposed to be non-sticky. So I'm just gonna swatch them according to the shade. Each of the shades have a number on them. So I'm going to swatch them and apply them on my lips according to that shade. So the first one that we're going to do is this one right here, which is called Mauve Wipes. I believe that's what it's called. Yes, it's Mauve Wipes. And it's like this pretty lavender pinky color. So we'll see how this one is. This is the one I'm a little nervous about. So let's swatch this one. This is not a bad color. So I'm one of those people who applies lip gloss multiple times. Like I have to pump it and use multiple uses. You definitely don't have to do that, I don't think, with these ones, but this is what Mauve Wives looks like, and it's really pretty actually. I thought this was going to be a little too light, but it's not bad. And I also thought it was going to be too purple, and it's giving me more pink vibes. Now, typically I would probably wear this with a brown lip liner just because I don't really like it by itself, but honestly, it's really not bad. Like this would be a lip color that I would use with a brown liner and just go like an everyday kind of lip gloss. I'm feeling this one. The consistency is good too. So yes, shout out to the first color. Yeah, we like this. So this next shade is number 2, and this is Fenty Glow. So this is supposed to be comparable. Well, the shade range is supposed to be similar to the original Fenty Glow that we love, except this one isn't supposed to have shimmer in it. So I'm gonna try this one out and see how it looks. Now, from looking at it in the package, it actually looks very pink compared to the Fenty Glow. That one's a little bit more bronze, but we'll see how it looks on our lips. So this one is the Fenty Glow, and it's really pretty actually. It's not as pink as I thought it would be. This is like the perfect go-to everyday kind of lip gloss right here. This is my vibe. I love this shade. So far, this is my favorite, even though we only tried out 2. I really like this one. I think you can pair this with a lip liner as well, but I think it would work perfectly fine without a lip liner. Also, it says that it's supposed to smell vanilla and peachy, but I honestly don't smell anything. The original ones do have a scent to them, and it smells really good, but I don't smell anything with these ones. So maybe it's just my nose. I don't know, but it doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't bother me. But if you're one of those people who likes lip glosses that have a scent, this doesn't really smell like anything. Just saying. All right, so this is shade number 3, and this is the one that I was the most excited about. This is in the shade Honey Waffles. I just thought it was a really pretty color. It's kind of like a brownish, but it has a little tint of orange. So I thought it was really pretty, but also a unique color. So I'm excited to try this one. This is the shade Honey Waffles, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty as well. Honestly, I think I've liked all 3 of the shades so far. This one is really pretty. It's unique. It's got more of an orange tint to it. Now, I did apply a couple of layers just because I like my lip gloss to be popping, okay? I want y'all to see my lip gloss from a mile away. So I did apply a few layers. You definitely don't have to, but I think this would be so perfect with the lip liner Chestnut from MAC. I think it would look so bomb with that, but it also looks good on its own. Yeah, I'm feeling these lip glosses, y'all. I'm so happy she came out with these because I'm not a huge fan of lip glosses that have glitter in them. So these are just my vibe, y'all. These are my vibe. All right, so this is shade number 4, and this is Cookie Jar. It is a pretty deep burnt orange kind of shade. I'm really interested to see how this one's going to work out because this is probably the one that I would gravitate towards the most just because I like shades that are deeper but are also, they have like a brown undertone to them. And so we're going to see how this one works out. So again, this is shade number 4 in Cookie Jar. Y'all, this one is my vibe. I just feel like every shade is my vibe, honestly. But I really am feeling this one. This is perfect. This is like fall vibes for me. It's perfect for every day. I would wear this in the office if we were wearing lip gloss and if we were going to the office. You know what I'm saying. I would wear this to work. I would wear this every day with a simple look like one that I have today. This is my jam, y'all. This color right here, yes. And this is perfect, like, if you want to do a nighttime look as well, but you don't want to do a deep red. I think this shade is really good. So, shout out to you, Fenty, because y'all haven't missed on any of the shades, and we only got one more left. So we're on the last shade, and this is shade number 5. This is called Fruit Snacks. It's a pretty deep red shade, and it is so beautiful, y'all. I know I said everything is beautiful. But anyway, let me show y'all what this one looks like on our lips. Okay. Y'all, I'm feeling this one too. I'm literally feeling all of them. This one is like juicy to me. I guess that's where the name Fruit Snacks came from. It's like a fruity color. This one is so perfect for nighttime. Honestly, you could wear all of these at the nighttime during the night. But this one is like if you want to amp it up a little bit, but you don't want to wear a lipstick. Y'all, this one is good. Baby, these lip glosses are everything, okay? They're everything. All of them. All 5 of them. I think you need all of them. So that's all 5 shades tried on today. As you can tell, I like all 5 of them. The shades are really, really pretty. I think that they're very versatile. I love the actual quality of the glosses. I think the pigment is great. And you can always layer more gloss on if you want more pigment. If you're extra like me and you want your gloss to pop, then you can add layers. Also like the fact that it feels just similar to the original one where it's thick, but it's not super tacky. Because who likes super sticky lip gloss? Not me. I'm sure you don't like it either. Again, I like the shade range. I think it is very versatile, and I'm really excited to see what different colors that Fenty does come out with to add on to these shades. I would love to see like a pale nude color, and then I would also love to see like a true brown gloss as well. That would be really pretty. But I'm sure they're going to be adding more to the collection. So yeah, I'm 100% on board with these lip glosses. They're great. The only thing I would say is that they don't have a scent. That's the only thing that it kind of promotes, but it doesn't have a scent to me. It could have a scent to somebody else, but it definitely doesn't have a scent to me, which is a little bit different than the original glosses. So if you're into glosses with a scent, then that might be like something that turns you off for these glosses. The price range, though, is the exact same price as the original ones. They're $19, so that's good. They didn't up the price on these ones. But yeah, I'm really excited about these glosses. I'll be wearing these all the time in the house because, you know, we wear masks and stuff outside. But I'll be wearing these all the time. I will say that my 2 favorite shades would have to be the Fenty Glow and Fruit Snacks. I think these are my favorite shades because this is the perfect daytime gloss. And this is the perfect nighttime gloss, and I feel like you could pair these together. So if you're doing a simple look like the one that I have on today, you can easily wear this one during the day, and then if you're like going somewhere, happy hour or something, you can put this one on. So I hope y'all enjoyed this review and the different swatches. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, then please be sure to subscribe. And as always, I thank you all for watching my video, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.